Hi guys, good to see both of you.
Hello, how are you?
Very well. How are you? How are you,
Very
Ali?
good. I'm new to Zoom, so bear with me.
No, you're doing just fine and looking gorgeous as you've always have.
Thank
So
you.
you guys are doing well, staying safe, staying home.
Yeah, pretty much. I have parents at home, so I have to be very responsible.
Absolutely. Ali, what about you?
I'm doing good.
You're doing
Staying
good.
home, staying safe.
Great. So you guys also just saw the teaser along with the audience who's watching it. There's press and there are your fans, obviously, as I can see in the chat window. Um, does this recall all the memories of shooting? Sneha, to you first.
I actually miss it a lot. I miss that interaction, that whole feeling, that rush, that exhaustion. Can you believe I actually miss being tired?
Right,
Yeah.
right. Ali, what is the first thought when the trailer was playing? What was the first thought?
Uh, Basically, when I was told the story, I was
Uh-huh.
told my part of the this thing
Right,
because I wanted the director not to tell me the whole story. I wanted only my part.
Yeah, I always do that too.
Uh, so so when I was looking at the trailer, it was like an audience looking at the trailer. I found it very interesting.
right. So also when so when the trailer is playing, are you looking at others also at that time at least?
Yes, yes, I looking at their reactions. Acha,
Right.
you're talking about the other artist.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course.
Great, great.
I'm
Uh,
always embarrassed of my work.
you're embarrassed of your work. Sneha, do you like watching
Always
your,
happens.
you're okay watching yourself?
I don't like watching myself.
Oh,
I'm
both
very
of you.
self-critical. So whenever I see myself, I'll be like, oh damn, I could have done better.
Oh, son, same
So
thing, same feeling I have.
I don't. I'm not a very selfie person. I'm not somebody who looks at myself in the mirror. I don't do selfie videos. I'm not that kind of a girl. So it's quite
Right.
difficult.
Right. Let's come to what this is all about. So why one obviously tell the viewers why is it called expiry date? क्यों नाम दिया है इसको?
Because everything has an expiry date,
Right.
and
So does
including our
life.
lives,
Yeah.
So this is
Right.
all about who dies when, basically, and who survives the game of survival.
Right. How interesting.
Yeah, it's quite intense.
Right, Ali. What were you told initially about this show? You know, when the pitch came to you, what did you hear?
Uh, they told me about the thrill factor which I had to play. I was uh, this is my first project which will be little bold enough. I haven't done something like there's a little bit of intimation in this. So they
Right.
first started with this because all what I'd done in television and my other projects had nothing to do with what I'm doing now.
Right. Right.
So they first took my approval with this. Are
Oh,
you
wow.
comfortable in Are you comfortable in doing this? Then we can further talk about the project.
So were you comfortable in doing this?
Yeah, it was very comfortable.
Amazing.
Mm.
Right, Sneha, this is your OTT debut, right? Am I right?
Yes, it
Wha-
is.
You know what a time for some to have a release when people are consuming so much because still a lockdown. People are scared to go out. Are you happy with this as your debut?
Absolutely. So I had very strong specific reasons why I wanted to do this project.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, the first and foremost reason was my character. It's very interesting.
Right,
She's extremely bossy and powerful, and I love portraying that for
right.
a change. So I'm very happy with this product.
Are you anything like that in real life? Are you bossy?
Kind of. I'm not a liar, so I
Okay,
have to be honest. I am
right,
kind of bossy, yes.
right, right. Ali, tell us about your character.
My character is a guy who's married to his love of his life,
Okay.
but still flirting with another married woman for money.
That's all men, right?
Hey,
That's not true at all.
I'm
Most
no,
men,
Neha,
most
I'm
men.
not
Most,
that. I'm
most
not that in
indeed.
real life.
So yeah, nothing in real life, right? Like that, like the character that you play.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, what like we were discussing earlier, what a time for have a release. Are you a big consumer? Because like say this comes on 2nd of October, it's a holiday, people will be home. Are you happy with whatever you're watching with this whole time? Because this is a great time for actors like you.
So the strategy just worked out for our show that we actually rushed through the COVID time and
Hmm.
finished our shooting so that we can have this valuable time, this
Yeah.
space, because like you said, everybody is home. So
Yeah.
why not cash on that? And we
Yeah.
successfully finished all our shoots. Everybody is safe and sound at home. Production house, that North Star, did a brilliant job looking after us.
Right.
So the strategy just worked out perfectly, and we are cashing out, and we hope that it pays up.
Right. So did you also have to shoot during the lockdown? Did you?
Yes, yes,
What
we
was
did.
that like?
It was scary. Because I'm somebody who's anyways not a very outgoing person. I'm not a
Mhm.
social person. So to get out in this pandemic, and I have parents at home,
Yeah. Yeah. That's.
senior citizens, so I've been very, very responsible. I haven't socialized.
Yeah.
I haven't met friends. So to get out there, travel in a flight, be exposed to all of that, it was quite exhausting mentally. But I was crazy. I was all OCD the whole time. I had sanitizer sprays, I had fumigators, I had all types of masks. So but I would not suggest getting out there and working at this point.
That's very important what you said, Ali. What was it for you to go out because things have changed on
We
the set now.
we even we had an expiry date for the shooting as well. We had
I
to complete the
swear.
project and give it.
I swear.
And we
Right.
had announced the release date and everything, so we had to rush.
Right.
We had no other option.
Right.
But the production house made sure that we all are safe, we all are tested
Mhm.
and shooting. So that all things were.
Right.
It is
Right.
risky. It's always risky.
It,
There's
it,
no
it
doubt.
is. Yeah. Nobody should
It
do
was
that.
risky.
Unless it's really needed, there's no need to step out.
Absolutely.
Right. Sneha, for people who are watching this broadcast, tell them what is this release day going to be like? How exciting is a release date? Because this comes on a platform like ZEE5, where suddenly your fans across the world and your friends and relatives everywhere in the world can watch it.
So I am first of all excited because this is my debut.
Yes.
I've been waiting to enter the digital space, and I'm glad ZEE5 found me.
Right.
And but I am actually missing all the premiere and the
Yeah.
buzz and
Yeah.
interaction with all the media on one-on-one. I'm missing all of that.
Yeah.
But we have to make do with what we have right now. Thank God for the mobile phones and social media.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are banking on that completely. But to be very frank, I am missing out on actual interaction because that's what makes you feel real. You feel alive when
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
doing all of that. But it's
Oh,
going to be, we have 2 release dates because it's a bilingual.
yes. Right. Yeah. Her net is slightly stuck. Ali, I'll come to you till she comes back. Tell me, for you also, is it exciting that OTT release is exciting because it comes world over in one shot?
For this is my first Hindi project. I have done a lot of Telugu projects, so this is going to be the first time I am doing a Hindi project.
Right.
So I am really very excited to.
And goes to 190 plus countries in one shot. So how exciting is that part?
I'm really very happy for this.
Right.
So
right.
That is the main thing.
Right. Yeah.
To be honest, I never tried for an Hindi project. I was always happy doing my Telugu, my South India things. Suddenly, when I got this project, I was like, okay, why not? It's a bilingual.
Yeah. No. Good to see you. Good to see you do both the languages. So good. This is a newer audience as well.
In fact, I'm more comfortable in Hindi rather than Telugu.
Really?
But I've still been working in Telugu movies for around like 8 years, 9 years now.
Wow. Fantastic. Sneha, we lost you when you were talking about the exciting release time, and this goes to 190 countries, 190 plus countries in one shot.
But isn't that the greatest thing about digital cinema?
Yeah.
I mean, our reach is so amazing, and just to know that ZEE5 has planned such an amazing release for us,
right?
It's going to be really exciting. And I'm actually very. So I usually don't get nervous once I've done my job. I stop stressing about it.
Right.
And because it isn't, then there's nothing I can do. Then I leave it to universe. I leave it to the audience.
Yeah.
So I'm quite excited to see what the world has to say about expiry date.
Right. Fantastic. And before we wrap this, do you also want to tell both of you? Do you want to tell the viewers what next in terms of work and what should they expect?
Well, expect a lot of digital presence from me because I'm enjoying this space a lot.
Wow.
It's actually more like the way I shoot and the characters that I'm getting are being offered are actually finally I can say I'm quite excited because I'm fed up of the same monotonous sweet girl, beautiful girl, whatever, been there, done that. So I'm quite excited about the gray shades that are now being introduced through digital cinema.
Yeah, let's see the bossy girl now, the bossy girl that you are.
Yeah.
Right. Ali, what do you want to tell them? What should they expect this year?
So I am happy to announce that I'll be doing another Hindi web film.
Excellent.
Which I recently done with shooting.
Great.
So there are more of like 2-3 projects of OTT releases which will probably be coming in the next year.
Fantastic.
Really excited for this.
Great. So thank you so much, guys. Before we wrap this, do you want to do a picture? Do you want to just do a victory sign? And let's get a nice screenshot.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Best of luck, and both of you stay safe, guys.
Thank you so much.
Everybody stay safe.
2nd October.
Stay safe.
Alright.
And it was really nice talking to you.
Thank you.
I hope
Bye,
everybody
guys.
watches
Bye-bye.
and enjoys this movie.